everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Onyinye Ude, and if today is your first time of seeing my video, then you are welcome. In this video, I'm going to be cooking a delicious Nigerian soup combination, Egusi and Ogbono soup. And I'm going to be sharing 2 tips that you need to know to cook it like a professional. Let's get started. So today we are making a unique, delicious Nigerian soup recipe. Egusi and Ogbono soup together. We are going to combine the two, and I assure you that the taste is very delicious. It has its own unique taste. I know that not everybody eats Egusi and Ogbono. That is why it's so unique. I'm going to be teaching you, sharing with you how to cook it like a professional, so you don't make mistake when you're cooking it together. Okay, there are things that you need to know, so I'm going to be showing you. Let's get started. So we are going to use beef. I have an already cooked cow skin. Okay, I'm going to use it as our protein. So I'm going to season the soup. No curry powder, no onions. As a matter of fact, when you're cooking bitter leaf soup, you don't add onions because it will give it a weird sweet taste. All right, you don't add onions. So I'm going to season it. Salt and bouillon. Then we start cooking. Cover the pot. Let's add our red oil. You have to cook your red oil too, so that it will reduce the strong taste. Okay, just maybe 1 minute, allow it to boil before we add our main ingredients for today. All right, when making this soup, what you need to know is that you don't add Egusi and Ogbono the same time, because if you do, it will scramble like scrambled egg and you will not like it. You will have a lot of lumps in the soup. So what you do is to dissolve the Egusi first, like I am doing now. Dissolve it properly. This is the tip I am sharing with you. You dissolve your Egusi properly, and then you add the Ogbono. Another tip is that the quantity of Egusi is going to be much more bigger than that of Ogbono. Okay, when you cook it like this, this is the Ogbono. It draws in nature. Okay, so that is why it will scramble your Egusi if you add it together. But right now it's not going to scramble it because the Egusi is already dissolved. Okay, that is how to cook Egusi and Ogbono together, and I promise you this combination is very delicious. It's mostly Enugu State combination, I think so. All right, our pepper blend has crayfish, Ogili, okay, and pepper. Okay, in every Nigerian soup you must add crayfish. All right, look at the consistency. That's the consistency I want. All right, so we're going to cover this pot and let our egusi and ogbono cook properly before we add the remaining ingredients. Let's check on our soup. Today we are cooking egusi and ogbono, a delicious Nigerian soup combination. Okay, so it's been cooking for a while, and now it's time to add other ingredients. So we have our washed fish chunks. I'm going to add this now. It's still a little strong. Okay. If you have not tried this kind of combination, you better try it, because it is very, very delicious. Let's add some salt. I'm gonna cover this pot and let this simmer very well before we add the vegetable. Please share whenever you see it. So when you're adding your vegetable, you add and you watch. Okay, you can even cut this with knife. It is too long, especially if it is not a bitter leaf soup. It's bitter leaf soup, you can leave it the way it is. So we have enough vegetable, okay? So I'm going to cover this pot and allow the soup to simmer very well. It is very, very delicious. Look at that. Right now, our egusi and ogbono soup is done. And now it is time to plate our food. So look at that. Look at our beautiful egusi and ogbono. The combination is very delicious. You have to try it. Right. I will see you once again in my next video.